Frank here. Today, opening up a fifth hobby box of 2019 Heritage Topps. Really like this stuff. Gotten some pretty interesting pulls out of the ones I've opened so far. So let's see what we get in this fifth box. Hopefully we end with a nice bang. Alright, so let's see what we got for this box topper here. It's an original 1970 Topps box topper. So we got Julián Javier of the Cardinals. Really badly off cut, but that's a cool card. I love buyback cards. Alright, let's see what we get in pack number 1. So, the first two cards, Cardinals. Colton Wong, Tommy Pham, he used to be Cardinal. Rays rookies, the ERA leaders, Trey Turner, AJ Minter. Actually, I should check these. Yeah, Trey Turner, that's short print. Forgot to do my checks here. Gerardo Parra, Jose Peraza, and a World Series card. Michael Wacha, Jesus Sucre, Tony Watson, Francisco Cervelli, Jacob deGrom, new age performer. The Braves rookies, all those guys are good pitchers right there. Denard Span, World Series, and Chasen Shreve. Got Julius Chasen, Malik Smith, Kendrys Morales, Wade LeBlanc, Dylan Betances. Make sure we didn't miss a short print. Keone Kela, Kyle Schwarber, Pirates rookies, and James Paxton. Do a quick check of the card backs. Looking for short prints. Short prints are cards that are numbered over 400, by the way. Got Kevin Pillar, Nick Williams, Hector Rondon, Mike Zunino, John Lester, that's short print number 405. Yoshihisa Hirano, Matt Chapman. There's a shout out to Diggs Hobby, big A's fan. Noah Syndergaard and Leonis Martin. Alright, so we got Jake Lamb, Tucker Barnhart, RBI leaders, Max Kepler, Jose Leclerc. I'm pretty sure he's not a short print. I don't think Kepler is either. Cardinals rookies, Carl Edwards Jr., Cesar Hernandez, and Nelson Cruz. Just take a look at what Cesar Hernandez stats there. Rich Hill, Michael Lorenzen, Darren O'Day, CC Sabathia, Janis Joplin. Wow, that's a pretty cool card there. Insert. Colin Moran, Nationals rookies, Blake Trainen, Fernando Rodney. Joe Panic, Hunter Dozier, Mark Trumbo, Jose Quintana, Matt Carpenter. That's a short print. World Series. John Gant, Luke Voigt, Dylan Bundy. Looking for cards over 400 or some other kind of type of variants. You have to really dig deep and check. I'm just doing a quick check over these. Alright, I'll move these back here. Alright, next pack. I've been pretty lucky at pulling autos out of this. The autos are actually pretty tough to pull. Looks like we got a relic in this one. As soon as I said that. Reyes Maranta, Jorge Soler, Todd Frazier, Wilmer Defoe, Dylan Betances, game-used jersey right there. Steve Cishek, Sean Newcomb, Freddie Peralta. So I can't complain. I managed to get a couple of autos out of the boxes I've opened. So can't get autos in all of them, that's for sure. All right, next pack. I wish there was an auto every box. That'd be really cool. Roberto Osuna, Craig Stammen, Ryan Yarbrough, Kyle Freeland, Walker Buehler, New Age performer, Travis Shaw, Marcus Semien, Brent Suter, Chris Sale. Kyle Seager, Joe Jimenez, Jerickson Profar, Chris Iannetta. There's a flashback. PBS, Public Broadcasting Service. We're getting a lot of these this box. Eimer Candelero, Ken Giles, Matt Kemp, Jan Gomes. And Mike Leake, Shane Green, Pirates rookies, Robinson Cano, Nolan Arenado, that's a short print, Kyle Hendricks, Masahiro Tanaka, I think that's Cody Bellinger right there, saved by the Billy, Jose Altuve. Got Royals, rookies, Blake Parker, Tyler Mahle, Steven Souza Jr., and there's our Chrome card, Buster Posey. Chrome cards look really nice. Very sharp. Brad Peacock, Gregory Polanco, David Price, Mike Trout. That's numbered out of 999, 4 out of 999. I've been really good at spotting everything. I've spotted everything. Never know. We should still have some kind of rare, like, variation or something in this box. Chris Davis, Rangers rookies, Howie Kendrick, strikeout leaders, Sean Manaea, that's a short print, Hernan Perez, Astros, Salvador Perez, and Justin Bour. Got Miguel Rojas, Tim Anderson, David Dahl, Eduardo Nunez, Rosel Herrera, Ketel Marte, Marcel Ozuna, Kevin Gossman, Juan Lagares. Kyle Barclow, Gilmer Sanchez, Dustin Pedroia, Scott Kingery, Max Scherzer, New Age performer. There's Justin Turner, Mookie Betts, Brandon Crawford, Tim Beckham. Archie Bradley, we got a black card there. Jared Hughes, Shane Bieber, Orlando Arcia, Scott Schebler. Rockies, Jose Abreu, Tommy Hunter, and Jake Lamb. These black cards are limited to 50, in case you're wondering. So those are pretty nice little pulls. They're not numbered, but they are limited to 50. Alright, so we got packs getting in our way over here. Alright, so we got Yasmero Petit, Zach Eflin, Jeremy Jeffress, Padres rookies, then and now, Alex Collum, Max Scherzer, Didi Gregorius, Dustin Fowler. So we get in this pack. Devin Travis, A's rookies, Stephen Wright, Randall Grichuk, Garrett Cole. That's a short print. Yankees rookies, Derek Rodriguez, Pat Neshek, Matt Strom. Got Russell Martin, Nick Pivetta, Chase Anderson, Reds rookies. Oh, there's our scratch off, Noah Syndergaard. I'll set that there for a second. Corey Dickerson, Carlos Rodon, Jose Martinez, and Nunez. That thing keeps getting glare there. These are pretty cool. A little game you can do scratch off game here. It's like a little baseball game. Pretty cool. Got Mookie Betts, Ryan Zimmerman, batting leaders, Justin Turner, Mitch Haniger, New Age Performer, Hunter Renfroe, Jesse Winker, Joey Lucchesi, and Marlins rookies. All right, next pack. Ben Zobrist, Jackie Bradley Jr., Julio Teheran, Cole Calhoun, Andrew Benintendi, that's a short print, Zach Wheeler, Orioles rookies, Ryu, and Jaime Barea. Getting stacked up here. I don't know if I haven't heard of anybody pulling, like last year they had magenta backs. I have not noticed any weird colored backs this year, so maybe they did not do those this year. There are flip stock cards, which I have not found any yet, but it's where the backs are glossy, where the card stock got flipped. And those are limited to 5. Alright, so we got Mets rookies, we got Mark Canha, RBI leaders, Pablo Sandoval, Rhys Hoskins. I believe that's an action shot. And again, I've noticed this and mentioned this before. If you notice, these are like a little bit darker borders on these action shots. So maybe a little bit easier for you to spot. It's a high number and action, so that's a pretty nice one there. Hoskins. Chris Taylor, Nick Ahmed, Javier Baez, Colin McHugh. Nice action shot there. All right, next pack. Albert Almora, Rick Porcello, Elvis Andrus, Astros, baseball flashbacks, Al Kaline, Alex Wood, Kershaw, Ross Stripling, Jay Bruce. And one last pack. Probably be the last of Heritage I open. Mike Moustakas, Ronald Guzman, John Gray, Matt Boyd, Matt Kemp, that's a short print, Pierce, Mike Fultonlitz, Paul Goldschmidt, Irvin Santana. All right, let's double check the backs again. Okay, so let's see how many, we've been getting 8 short prints every box, and yep, we got our 8, so we found all of them. Got this cool buyback Julián Javier, and here's we got our action shot Rhys Hoskins, other inserts here, a Noah Syndergaard scratch off, a black Jake Lamb, Buster Posey chrome card, and this Dylan Betances relic card. All right, stay tuned for more videos.